In a shocking and heartbreaking incident, an 11-year-old boy from Tabazimbi in Limpopo accidentally shot and killed a farm worker on Saturday morning. According to police, the tragic incident happened around 5:45 a.m. at a local farm. When police officers arrived, they found the lifeless body of the victim, a man believed to be in his 30s with a fatal gunshot wound to the chest. Investigations revealed that the young boy had reportedly been trying to shoot at guinea fowls when the gun went off, striking the unsuspecting farm worker instead. Paramedics were called to the scene, but sadly, the man was declared dead upon arrival. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the video. The police have since arrested the boy's 43-year-old father, charging him with negligent handling of a firearm. The weapon used in the shooting, along with the spent cartridge, was confiscated as part of the ongoing investigations. Limpopo Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Thembi Khadebe has expressed deep concern over the incident. She reminded the parents and the gun owners to take firearm safety seriously, warning that tragedies like this can easily be prevented through responsible storage and supervision. Authorities continue to investigate the circumstances surrounding this devastating incident. Please don't forget to hide your guns because our kids are very curious.